Um, when we look at the weather map, the tropical cyclone Winston was located to the far southwest of Fiji, and it was moving south-southeast. It continued to do so in the last 24 hours, and it is moving south-southeast and further away from Fiji. However, in the next 12 to 24 hours, we expect it to move more to the east and then start moving to the northeast. And the weather systems at the moment, as we go along on the satellite map, the system is located over here to the far southwest. At the moment we are getting some breaks, and as the system is going to move further to the northeast, it is going to bring these clouds over to the Fiji Islands. The radar pictures also suggest that the rain bands that were being affected in the last couple of days, that has eased off, and at the moment it's pretty fine weather in most places that we experience today. On the forecast track map for Tropical Cyclone Winston, Tropical Cyclone Winston was located about 25.4 degrees south, and it's going to now move more to the northeast as a Category 3 system, and we expect it to be lying very close to Oneilau, about 30 kilometers south of Oneilau on Tuesday. As we further project, we expect or anticipate that the tropical cyclone Winston will move through the southern Lau group, and as such we have issued an alert warning for a tropical cyclone for the southern Lau group. When we look at the areas that is being threatened by the tropical cyclone Winston, we are looking at those areas, especially to the islands south of Lakemba and Kambara, Oneilau, and these are the areas that we expect it to be threatened by tropical cyclone Winston. For all communities in Fiji, it is advisable to take the necessary precautions, especially when the tropical cyclone alert has been issued for the southern Lau group, and strong winds may extend out to the other islands. Especially for those communities in the southern Lau group, Watoa, Kambara, south of Lakemba, Oneilau, please be prepared to embrace the damaging gale force winds, and should the tropical cyclone Winston maintain its intensity, the damaging storm force winds can be experienced, and we all need to be prepared to embrace the onset of the stronger winds.